Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for website project management. This is your go-to guide for 2025. First up, let's create a new project board. Navigate to the main dashboard, click on Add, and select Board. Name it appropriately, and voila, your project board is ready. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for your project, a place where all tasks, deadlines, and team members will be organized. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding tasks. Click on the Add Item button and type in the task name. Underneath, you can assign the task to a team member, set a deadline, and even add a priority level. This is an essential step because it helps break down your project into manageable chunks and assigns responsibility. Next up, we're going to group these tasks. Click on Add Group and name it according to the phase of the project it relates to. You can then drag and drop tasks into their respective groups. Grouping tasks helps us because it allows for better organization and progress tracking. The next important feature is the Gantt chart. Go to the menu on the left, select Views, and then Gantt View. This shows a visual timeline of your project with all tasks and deadlines. This is key because it gives you an overview of the project timeline and helps identify any potential bottlenecks. Lastly, let's set up automations. Click on Automate at the top of the board, select a trigger, like when a status changes, and an action, like send a notification. This helps us because it takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for important work. In conclusion, Monday.com is a robust tool for managing your web projects. You just have to create a board, add and group tasks, use the Gantt chart for visual timeline, and set up automations for efficiency. This will take your project management to a whole new level, ensuring everything is organized, on track, and automated. That's all for today, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring Monday.com to discover even more features.